Hi first graders, welcome back to Social Studies with Miss Six. Today is Wednesday, September 23rd, 2020. To review what we talked about on Monday, a law is a rule that a community should follow. So the difference between a law is that a law is everyone and a rule is some people. So a law is for the whole community. So we're going to learn which laws keep things safe, orderly, and help us manage conflict. Some laws fall into the category of safety first. Traffic lights, stop signs, these are laws that we need so that cars don't get into accidents or wrecks all the time. Speed limits are also laws that put safety first. Some laws fall into the category of order. This is behaving correctly or in an appropriate manner. That's what keeping order is. For example, we see the little boy walking his dog, and he's probably walking on the sidewalk instead of the street. That's staying in order so that we won't get hurt. Another picture right here is a boy and he's just throwing trash on the ground. He's littering, and that's not good. Instead, he should be throwing it in the trash can or the recycle to keep the order. If we just threw our garbage all on the ground everywhere, we would not have order in our community. And the last thing, some laws will fall under manage conflicts. And a conflict is something that is a problem, like teasing someone. That is a conflict. That's a problem. Allowing certain people to park in parking spaces helps to manage conflicts so that we aren't fighting over parking spots. We're going to read a book called Building Character, Resolving Conflicts. Sometimes we disagree. We might argue. Does that ever happen to you at home? But we can fix it. Cam doesn't want to share the ball. He and Jordan argue. This is a conflict. How do they resolve it? How do they fix it? Jordan asks nicely. Cam calms down. They play. John is mad. Why? Tim skipped him in line. John takes some time away. He calms down, and then he forgives Tim. I see in both of these stories the kids need to calm down first, take a second, and then they talk about it. You might want to make up. How? Say sorry. That's the first step. Owen wants to play inside. Lex wants to play outside. So how can they solve that? If they want to play together, but Owen wants to play inside and Lex wants to play outside, what can they do? Good. So you're already thinking of ways to resolve conflicts. They can do both. Spend a little time inside and a little time outside. That's a good resolution. Lou and Rex need help making up. The teacher helps them. Sometimes you do need an adult's help to help with conflicts. Troy's friends are fighting. He listens and he helps them say sorry to each other. Those are all good examples of resolving conflict. Your assignment is to draw this 3-column T-chart, and we're going to put laws. There's going to be a law put one law under safety, one law under order, one law under manage conflict. So try to brainstorm and think about what's a law that we have that helps with safety. And if you need more help on this, you can go back and re-watch this lesson. And think about laws that help keep us in order. Then you're going to think about laws that help us manage conflicts. What's something that we can do to manage our conflicts, our fighting? And once you create this 3-column T-chart, then you're going to take a picture and send it to me.